How to manage host video on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage host video on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click this one, meetings, and then click this one here, edit, and now click this one, host video on. If you want to turn it on, just click on it, and as you see, host video on has been turned on, and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, just click on it. It's easy, of course, and that's how to manage host video on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.